sorry for the weird angle, and I'm filming on my phone, but I wanted to do this outside because it's super nice out today. This is my August Sips By box that I'm very late at uploading my video for. I got this while I was on vacation, and I didn't get it till I got back a couple of days ago. So I still wanted to do my video and review on it, but from now on I'm only gonna get it every other month. I just can't get through the tea that fast. I don't know, I just can't. So we're gonna go through it. I'm very excited. Let's open it. I've opened it I think when I first got it, but I barely even, I don't even know, I don't remember what was in it. So we're gonna open it now, go through it, see what I think, and then I will be vlogging like how I have the last couple months about like when I actually try it and if I like it, that kind of stuff. And also, if you get Sips By, you can review the teas after you've gotten them, and then they can kind of take those reviews and or like rate their teas, and then they will take those ratings and like curate your box something that you would prefer, if that makes sense. Let's see. So like I said last month, they do usually have a nice collection of like high caffeine, low caffeine, no caffeine, that kind of thing. So like I said, oh wait, is this September? Did I not do August? I'm confused now. Did I even get a August box? This is the September box, so from here on out, I'm gonna get it every other month. Okay, first tea on the list now, I'm losing my mind, is the Earl Grey, which I'm very excited about. It's by the brand Storehouse Tea. It's medium caffeine, which is nice. Where am I seeing? Here it is. Ooh, that's cute looking. It's this nice, like, whatever color this is. Organic black tea leaves and essential bergamot oil. Okay, that's cool. Pyramid full leaf tea sachet. Oh, I love the pyramid ones. They look so cool. The classic British black tea infused with bergamot citrus satisfies with distinct flavor and aroma. Medium caffeine. Okay, it's organic too, so that's cool. This one sounds cool. I don't know about bergamot. I've had that oil before, like an essential oil, and like it's not my favorite, but it's not my least favorite. It says something about citrus, which I don't usually like, but Earl Grey is like a good solid, like normal tea, nothing crazy, and I'm like a nothing crazy kind of tea drinker. Okay, next we have something called Jasmine Gold, right? Jasmine Gold by Asheville Tea Company. Which one is that? Oh, this one. I had literally had it in my hand. It looks like that. That's cute too, right? I think it's cute. It's this nice teal color. Jasmine green tea, jasmine flower, and chrysanthemum flower. Some caffeine. Right? Is that what this is? Medium caffeine. So there's two medium caffeines, a low caffeine, and a caffeine-free. What does this one say? How's it described? Jasmine scented green tea. Okay, we'll see. Is combined with whole jasmine flowers and locally grown chrysanthemum flowers. It's a floral delight to uplift your spirits any time of day. Okay, maybe I'll try this one today. Okay, now I have one that I'm not super excited about. It's a peppermint tea. It's a caffeine-free by Smith Tea Maker. Again, it's a really cute like sachet little pack. Like they're just so cute. I love this color. This is, like I said, caffeine-free. It's the world's best peppermint from the Pacific Northwest. Caffeine-free after dinner treat or midday breath refresher. I'm not a fan of peppermint tea. I just don't like it. It says that it has a creamy full flavor with distinct chocolate notes and an intense finish. I wonder if it's like a mint chocolate, like a Andes mint. I don't know. I'm not super excited about this one. I'm not a fan of peppermint tea. It's supposed to be good for your stomach, I think, but that's like my least favorite so far. And then this one's like really big. It's a Daily Green Sips By Rishi. Rishi? Am I saying that wrong? It's like this bigger one, and it looks like it's like, that's so weird. It's like the kind that you, what's it called? The resealable? Do you see that? How you can like peel it off and then close it up? That's so weird. So it's low caffeine, organic green tea. So I'm either gonna try this one or the other green tea, the jasmine one. I haven't decided yet. It's an antioxidant rich everyday organic green tea. It's the ideal balance of flavor and low tannin. I don't know enough about tea to know what that is. Each double dose sachet can brew up a small pot for 2 or an extra large mug. Oh, is there only 2 in here then? Oh, there is. That's why. Wow, that's so smart. So instead of having 4, you get 4 teas and 4 of each. So here you get 2 in here, and there's 2 in each bag. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this since I can reseal it. I'll probably just have it right after I film this, because I want to smell this one to see if it's what I want today. Oh my god. See, this is the kind of green tea that smells so good. Although the tea does look like it's coming out. Like, it's like coming out of the little sachet. Oh, I don't know about that. Is that not good? Isn't that like not good? I don't know. I'm sorry my posture. Like, what the heck? This is my Sips By September unboxing review. And I think that's all I have to say for now. So I'll check back with you about how I like the teas You guys know I love this. You guys know there's like a coupon code down below, and I really recommend this. I think this is such a cool, interesting box. It's not the same as like every other thing in the world, and if you're a coffee drinker like me, it's sometimes nice to like relax with tea that doesn't make you jittery. So I will see you guys in about 2 seconds. Okay, so I lied. It wasn't 2 sachets in that thing. It's just one giant one. You see that? It's like humongous, and it's like super green. Like usually green tea looks kind of like brownish in the bag. Do you see that? It's like fresh leaf teas instead of like dried. I don't know, but you can see there's like a little bits that came out of the bag. Like the holes in the bag are like pretty big. It smells good. I'm gonna let it steep for a little bit, and then we will try it. It'll probably be strong because I didn't put that much water in though. Okay, it's been steeping for like 5-ish minutes, so let's try it. Sorry about that mess. It's clothes I'm donating. I don't know, now it smells like grass. I don't know. I don't know. I don't not like it. I definitely feel like I'll drink the whole cup. Like there's been some I've tried and I'm like, ew, no, I can't. It doesn't smell as good as it did right in the little pack, but it's okay. Like it tastes like a mild green tea. It doesn't taste too leafy, but it doesn't taste too like sweet and fruity either. I think it's pretty solid. I think most people who like green tea would like this one. Oh, my little baby. But this one I get it like a 3.5 out of 5. Come here, baby. Say hi. Come on. Come here. Come on. Look who's here. It's a little birdie. My little birdie. He wants some. You want some? Making this one. Looks like that. It just looks like normal tea. There's no string though. It actually smells pretty good. It kind of, I don't know, is that jasmine smells like? I wish I could dip the bag in and out like I do when it has a string on it. I like it better than the last one, but it's very mild. It doesn't have a very strong flavor. I might just not be steeping it long enough, but I actually like it. I feel like even if I steep it longer, I'll like it more. I definitely like it better than yesterday's. It smells good. I can't put my finger on it though, unless it's jasmine is what I'm smelling. But yeah, I really like this one, so I'd totally drink this one again. So super. Yes, great. I give this one a 4.5 out of 5. It's just not my favorite, but it's good. I enjoy it. Excuse how greasy and disgusting I look. I'm about to vacuum my floor. I just put a bunch of like baking soda down and stuff, and I'm gonna take a shower, so that's why I'm all gross. But I wanted to have some tea because I'm tired. This is a black tea with caffeine, organic. It smells, I think I said this last time I had Earl Grey tea. It smells like Fruit Loops. That's what it smells like to me. So we're gonna try it. It's probably super freaking hot. I love the silky little sachet. Why am I always saying that wrong? It's medium caffeine. Smells good. I think English breakfast tea I prefer over Earl Grey, but I like it. I definitely like it. I mean, I know I like Earl Grey tea. I prefer English breakfast, but this is my favorite of the bunch, I think. I'm not even gonna try the peppermint one, actually. I was going to, but I just know I don't like peppermint tea. Like, I've never enjoyed peppermint tea, so I'm not gonna try that one. I'm gonna give them to my brother, though, because he likes peppermint tea, so it's not going to waste. But I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna finish this tea so I can build up some energy before I vacuum. It's getting nice and dark, too. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. That's it for this month's video, September's Sip a Spy box, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go and sign up with my discount code down in the description, and I will see you in 2 months. Well, for this video, but I'll see you in a couple days for a normally scheduled video.